Crash Course: The Colorful World of Colombian Festivals. Colombia is a country known for its vibrant and lively festivals that showcase the rich cultural heritage of its diverse communities. These festivals are a celebration of music, dance, food, and tradition, and they provide an immersive experience into the colorful world of Colombian culture. From the Carnaval de Barranquilla to the Feria de Cali, each festival has its own unique charm and offers a glimpse into the country's joyful spirit. Let's dive into the exciting world of Colombian festivals and explore some of the top 12 festivals that capture the essence of this beautiful nation. 1. Carnaval de Barranquilla. Considered one of the largest carnivals in the world, the Carnaval de Barranquilla is a vibrant explosion of music, dance, and traditional costumes. Held in Barranquilla, the festival showcases various cultural influences, including African, Indigenous, and Spanish. The lively parades, street parties, and traditional dances make it an unforgettable experience. 2. Feria de Cali. The Feria de Cali is an annual salsa festival that takes place in Cali, the salsa capital of Colombia. The festival features salsa competitions, concerts, dance performances, and vibrant street parties. It's a time when the city comes alive with the rhythm and energy of salsa music, and dancers from around the world gather to showcase their skills. 3. Festival de Vallenato. The Festival de Vallenato is dedicated to vallenato music, a traditional genre that originated in the Caribbean region of Colombia. Held in Valledupar, the festival brings together musicians, singers, and accordion players who compete to be crowned the best vallenato artist. The festival also features parades, dance performances, and cultural exhibitions. 4. Festival de la Leyenda Vallenata. Similar to the Festival de Vallenato, the Festival de la Leyenda Vallenata celebrates the roots of vallenato music and pays tribute to its legendary musicians. The festival takes place in April in Valledupar and attracts music enthusiasts from all over the world. It's a captivating journey into the soulful sounds of vallenato. 5. Festival de Blancos y Negros. Celebrated in the city of Pasto, the Festival de Blancos y Negros is a UNESCO-recognized event that combines indigenous and African traditions with Catholicism. The festival takes place in early January and features colorful parades, art exhibitions, street parties, and the famous paint battle, where participants throw colored powder and paint at each other. 6. Semana Santa. Semana Santa, or Holy Week, is a significant religious festival celebrated throughout Colombia. It takes place in various cities and towns, with each location adding its own unique cultural elements to the celebrations. Processions, religious rituals, and reenactments of the Passion of Christ are central to this solemn yet awe-inspiring festival. 7. Festival del Cayman. The Festival del Cayman is an indigenous festival held in the Amazonian region of Colombia. It honors the cayman, a sacred animal in the indigenous cultures of the area. The festival includes traditional dances, music performances, canoe races, and rituals that pay homage to the cayman and the Amazonian way of life. 8. Festival de la Leyenda Dorada. This festival takes place in Mompox, a colonial town known for its historical significance. The Festival de la Leyenda Dorada celebrates the legends and myths of Mompox, with theatrical performances, parades, music concerts, and storytelling sessions. It's a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the enchanting tales that have been passed down through generations. 9. Festival de Verano. The Festival de Verano, or Summer Festival, is an annual event held in Bogotá during August. It features a wide range of cultural and sporting activities, including concerts, art exhibitions, dance performances, and sports competitions. The festival aims to promote community engagement and offers something for everyone to enjoy. 10. Festival de la Marimba y el Chirimaya. This festival celebrates the marimba and chirimaya, traditional Afro-Colombian musical instruments. It takes place in the city of San Basilio de Palenque, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the first free town of the Americas. The festival showcases the vibrant music and dance of the Afro-Colombian community, highlighting their rich cultural heritage. 11. Festival de la Leyenda de El Dorado. The Festival de la Leyenda de El Dorado is a cultural event that commemorates the legend of El Dorado, the mythical city of gold. The festival takes place in Bogotá and features parades, theatrical performances, art exhibitions, and music concerts that showcase the country's historical and mythical narratives. 12. Festival de los Diablos y Congos. Celebrated in San Francisco de Sales, the Festival de los Diablos y Congos is a colorful and energetic festival that combines African and indigenous traditions. Participants dress up as devils and perform dances and rituals that symbolize the struggle between good and evil. The festival is a mesmerizing display of vibrant costumes, music, and dance. These are just a few examples of the many vibrant festivals that Colombia has to offer. Each festival provides a unique opportunity to explore the country's cultural diversity, traditions, and history. Whether you're drawn to the rhythmic beats of salsa, the colorful parades of Carnaval, or the mythical tales of El Dorado, Colombian festivals are sure to leave you captivated and inspired. In summary, Colombian festivals are a celebration of the country's rich cultural heritage and provide an immersive experience into its diverse traditions. From the Carnaval de Barranquilla to the Festival de la Leyenda Dorada, each festival offers a unique glimpse into the vibrant and colorful world of Colombian culture. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a dance lover, or a history buff, there's a festival in Colombia that will ignite your senses and leave you with unforgettable memories. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Now, let's dive into a poem and a song inspired by the colorful world of Colombian festivals. Poem: The Rhythm of Colombia. In Colombia's vibrant land, where festivals abound, the spirit of celebration can always be found. From Barranquilla's carnival to Cali's salsa beat, the rhythm of Colombia, a joyful retreat. Painted faces and costumes, a riot of hues. Dancers twirling and spinning, the crowd's joyful muse. In the streets of Pasto, the colors come alive, as Blancos y Negros celebrates, a festival to thrive. Valledupar's Vallenato, with its soulful song. Accordion melodies that carry us along. Mompox and its legends, woven through the air. The Leyenda Dorada, tales for all to share. Bogota's Verano, a festival of delight. A tapestry of culture, from morning until night. San Francisco de Sales, where devils dance and play. The Diablos y Congos, driving evil away. Colombia's festivals, a kaleidoscope of mirth. Uniting communities, celebrating their worth. With music, dance, and tradition, they proudly display the heart and soul of Colombia, in a vibrant array. Song: Colors of Celebration. Verse 1. In Colombia's land of wonder, where festivals unfold. A tapestry of colors, stories to be told. From Barranquilla to Cali, the music fills the air. The rhythm of Colombia, a celebration rare. Chorus: Colors of celebration, vibrant and bright. In Colombia's festivals, we dance through the night. From Carnaval to Feria, the joy never ends. In this land of rhythm, where the spirit ascends. Verse 2. Valledupar's Vallenato, the accordion's sweet sound. The Festival de Blancos y Negros, colors all around. The legends of Mompox, in tales and song. Weaving through the festival, where history belongs. Bridge. From Bogota's Verano to San Francisco de Sales. Colombia's festivals, each story unveils. With passion and fervor, the spirit comes alive. In the hearts of the people, a celebration thrives. Chorus: Colors of celebration, vibrant and bright. In Colombia's festivals, we dance through the night. From Carnaval to Feria, the joy never ends. In this land of rhythm, where the spirit ascends. Outro. In Colombia's vibrant land, the festivals ignite. A symphony of cultures, a kaleidoscope of light. Join the celebration, let the music guide your way. In Colombia's colorful world, let's dance and sway.